Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday the 30th of April. My final chart of the day is gold, and there's been a slight improvement in the outlook on gold in the last session or so. Last 24 hours, we've started to see market just ticking back higher again. We had this little corrective drift early part or late part of last week into early this week. Holding support yesterday on the Fed and now starting to edge a little bit higher today, tentatively moving on. Now, I've drawn in this little uptrend. I've not really made it bold yet because I think it's just, as I said, a tentative move that we've got on gold at the moment. You do still have these little corrective, or certainly the bear cross on the MACD is a concern, and stochastics falling away is a concern. So we're still holding above the 1702 pivot line. Now we've had a couple of intraday moves below that have been supported, and as I said, higher lows posted on those levels. So 1691 effectively has been the low this week, and that is certainly a key level on a near-term basis that prevents a move back to 1660 now. But 1702 I've sort of kept in on the daily chart, and on the hourly you can see there is still a basis that this is being considered as a pivot area. And just this morning we've started to see the market swing high. Now I've drawn in 1718, this green line here, which again has acted as a pivot line. If you sort of go from 16th, 17th of April and project across, you can see the number of times we've actually turned around, both higher and lower, actually around 1718. So if the market can break through that decisively today, then I think we would be edging of a more positive configuration. You've got the momentum on the hourly, a little bit less negatively configured now, pushing above 60 on the hourly RSI, above neutral on the MACD. So it seems as though that for now the market is just trying to break, or the market is in this consolidation but trying to break through to the upside again and just needs that push. You've got the ECB today, which could have an impact on gold again, so watch out for that this afternoon. But the technicals are still positive on gold, even though I've turned a little bit more cautious on our outlook because of this corrective drift and the lack of conviction we've had yet in the run higher. But yeah, I'm sort of on the brink of turning more positive again, but just need that move, decisive move through 1718. That would open 1738 again, and effectively the high of 1746. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website where you can sign up for our webinar.